Zulfi Karim of the Bradford World Curry Festival has chosen Kashmiri chili powder here, turmeric here, but those are light fast, so we'll be adding some iron oxides to improve permanence.
Pollution is growing year by year. It seems to be something that is toxic to every organ in our body.
Right, so this is used engine oil.
Yeah.
You asked me to find you an interesting stone from the campus.
Yeah.
So on the walk here to lunch, I was looking around for interesting stones and there weren't any because the gardeners and the estate workers keep the garden so beautiful, right? There's no just stones lying around. So all the stones are deliberate choices around rockeries and garden features, or they're laid into the pavements. But then I found this pebble, and I just thought it was small and nicely shaped by wind and rain, and light to carry. So I brought it along because I thought it was a very handsome pebble.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And this is the beautiful pebble.
Yeah.
Right, I will see what I can do with that. One Bradford colour that was missing was yellow. We thought we'd never find the yellow we wanted, but we did. Of all places, we found yellow ochre deposits near Salts Mill.